Member for Mount Pearl South.
Mr. Speaker, it's my privilege to stand in this honourable House to offer congratulations to a group of individuals who have made a significant contribution to sport in my community. The Mount Pearl Sports Hall of Fame was founded in 1995 by the Mount Pearl Sport Alliance, and since that time has inducted 71 tremendous individuals. Today I would like to acknowledge the achievements of 5 others. Jerry O'Brien has been inducted in the athlete category for his tremendous accomplishments in the sport of soccer. Inducted into the builder category are Mary Holloway for her contribution to Special Olympics, Dan Marr for his dedication and commitment to both soccer and Special Olympics, Michael Mooney for his significant impact on the soccer community, and Paul Boland for his tremendous contribution to youth bowling. These individuals are a credit to their respective sports and to their community. I would ask all members of this honourable House to join me in congratulating these individuals on this significant accomplishment. Wish them all the best in their future sporting endeavours. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.